is afraid of dolls. Yes, you heard right. Andre has a fear for dolls. He's always against dolls, right? So I had this prank up my sleeve for a couple months now, to prank him with a doll to see his reaction. I know what his reaction is gonna be, guys, but I've never really done something like this, like actual scare him. So it would be nice to see what he would do. So guys, I got two dolls actually. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it up in the living room, and then I'm gonna go back to bed and then tell Andre that I hear something in the living room. Can he go and check? So hopefully I'll get the footage of I'll have to set up the camera and the dolls to get the angle correct and everything. But guys, before I show you the dolls, guys, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. If you're new here, just go ahead, click the red button down below. Don't be afraid. If you're afraid of this prank, or if you're fearful of scary things or dolls, perhaps you don't want to watch this video. I don't think it's gonna be that scary, guys, but I have to also be mindful of people who are not into these things. This is one. So actually it's not really a doll, it's something that you would buy, like they buy it here to put on. It is so ugly, guys, I'm not lying. That you would buy to put on your lawn. They put it on the lawn because, as you can see, it has the little thing that you would put it in the dirt. And then I'm not really afraid of that one, guys, but I do not like this one. And as soon as I'm finished with the prank, I'm surely gonna throw them away because I don't like to see them, and I like horror movies, but I don't like the idea of having this in the house while I'm sleeping. Anyways, so this is the other one. Is it scary? So guys, you know why I chose this one? Because the other day Andrea and I were watching Haunting of the Hill, Netflix series, and when I saw this one, it reminded me of the Broken Neck Lady. And to tell you guys, all of that series Andrea actually watched while holding down his head because he's not really into it, but he watches it just to make me happy. So he's not really into horror and stuff. And it's also, yes, it has arms and all those stuff. Oh my gosh, so scary. But it's plastic, guys, so it's all good. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna set up the camera now. I have to be really quiet because I really don't want to wake him and ruin this prank. Anyways, enough of the talking. I'm gonna set up the camera now, guys, and I'll show you where, and the dolls too, because I'm thinking of where to hang them. And then I'll show you where I'm hanging them. So don't go away. Don't go away, guys. Okay, guys. So I'm in the living room. I turned on the bathroom. This thing looks so creepy in the dark. I turn on the room and the bathroom light so I can get some light to see what I'm doing. Alright, let's see what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna put one of this scary ride. I think I'm gonna put her in the couch or somewhere over there, and I'm gonna hang the crazy aunt, the crazy looking aunt, by the window. But I have to be really quiet because I really don't want to wake him. So guys, I'm gonna put Babe. Babe. You hear that? You hear that? Babe. You hear people talk? In the living room. You don't hear the people talk? You did close the front door? Oh, Mama, hear people talk. Yes. You think they might have party or something? Be a good chick. Please. Oh, please, good chick. Wake up, good chick, good chick. Scared. Babe, get up. Good chick. I hear talking in the living room. And it's not Cuddles. It's not the cat. Babe, get up now. You can't turn on the light, please. You don't hear the talking, babe. You don't hear the talking. Chick. What that?
Tiala.
Babe.
Backside.
Babe. What's that? What's that? Andre, you run left me? Babe, where are you? Guys, he just locked the door on me, leaving me alone with the two creepy dolls. Look, guys, he is afraid of. Touch it.
No.
Touch it, babe.
So, if you guys know me at all, Allah! No. Chill.
Yes. Babe, why are you using cat? Babe, why are you using pork? So guys, he locked me out. He locked me out of the room. So guys, I can officially say that my prank worked. It did work because he's afraid of the doll so much that he doesn't want to have anything to do with me. And surprisingly, he's more afraid of the white one compared to the gray one. And I thought that he would be more afraid of the gray one because the gray one looks more realistic and everything with the black hair and all that look. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this Halloween prank video. It didn't go exactly how I planned, but he was scared. He was pranked. So guys, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.
Are you gonna let me down? Are you gonna watch me fall in love, then let me drown? Or are you gonna love me now and give me something that will never pull me down?